Alright, right here we have the air conditioner F45. If you want this from Amazon, my link is in the bio for Amazon. Just go ahead and click on it and we'll take you to the page. You can go ahead and buy it directly. So the unboxing video is also up, but this is just the how-to tutorial. So it does have a thing on the bottom that helps it spin. Right here is the power button, and then you have the rotation button, the light, and then the mister. It has 3 speeds, so let's go ahead and turn it on. It's going to be speed 1. As you can see, the light is red, the mister is on. You can turn that off or turn it back on, and you can see the mist coming out. So this is on speed 1, the rotation. Nice and slow rotation there. Then the light. It's a little bright outside, but so it changes colors. Nice little thing for your desk. And this thing blows. It blows pretty hard. So let's turn up the settings, turn off the rotation, and right here's the second. Now it's on high. So I have a piece of paper here, and as you can see, it's blowing the paper pretty well. Won't even let me touch it with the thing. The paper, it just blows it right back. So yeah, if you like what you're seeing, the link is in the bio. I strongly suggest it. It's the best air conditioner I've seen on the market. Go ahead and click on the link and get yourself one, get your family one. Summer's coming and you definitely want to be ready for it. 3 speeds, nice little tank to fill up with water, and yeah, be cool all summer.